Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So I have a Goodwill haul to show you. So I went to the Goodwill this evening because, well, I didn't get a chance to earlier, so I wanted to go to both Goodwills, but I ended up just choosing one of the two, and so it's always like when I have to choose one, I'm like, which one should I go? It's like a hard decision because, you know, if I go the other one, I could be missing out, you know, depending on the choice I make. So it's always like rolling the dice when I only choose one Goodwill to go to. But so I wanted to go to both, but like I said, time was running short tonight. So all right, so I went to Goodwill and I have 2 bags of stuff, and I only spent, I think it was, I'll add up the receipt, but I think it was under $17, and I got a lot of stuff. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the haul. All right, so the first thing I got was, let me move this bag over here. All right, I had to get this. You guys, this is amazing. This is so cute. It's a Jingle Bell like swag or something, but I love that. You know, I could do this all day. I love Christmas stuff. I love like the nostalgia of bells. And actually, you know, now that I come to think of it, I learned about something with the bells when I went to Sutter's Fort in our old Sacramento. They were saying something about bells and the horses, and I think horses had like a certain, I don't know, there was like a way to communicate with bells. I have to look back up in my history, but that just reminded me of this because this guy taught us this lesson about how like bells on horses meant something, and I can't remember what that was back in like the, oh gosh, like probably 1700s, like really, really early on. So anyway, sorry, I love history, so this kind of just totally all of a sudden just reminded me of this guy telling us about these bells and horses and how like these horses were workhorses or something, and they wore bells. I don't know, something like that. Okay, so anyway, but this was Sutter's Fort where I learned about this. But anyway, here they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and show you closer up. And what I want to do is I want to put this on my front door, on the inside of my door. So I have like right now I have a wreath hanging on the outside of my front door and one on the inside of my front door. So, because we have like a, I just like that look of like wreaths, you know? And so I showed my husband this. I'm like, I'm going to put this on the front door at Christmas time. He's like, no, you're not. Because he's like, that is going to like wake everybody up. Like when I go, you know, when I have to leave in the morning, and I'm like, I know, but you know, the kids are going to be at school, so it's totally fine, you know? So I thought that was really funny, but he'll let me do it, like if I want to, but he's like, he's, I don't know, I thought, maybe I'm the only one who likes these, but I think they're really cute, and if I want them on my front door, they're going to go on my front door. So, anyway, but I think they're cute. So do you guys think these should be on the front door or somewhere else? What do you guys think? They're really heavy, but I think they're going to be like such a, like a, I don't know, it almost reminds me of a store at Christmas time. You know, when you walk into a store and they have like these jingle bells. I don't know. All right. I'm getting really nostalgic and stuff, but these will go up somewhere in our house. I'm just not sure yet where. But anyway, these were $3.49, additional 50% off, so it made them half of $3.49. And you guys know my math is so bad. So half of $3 is $1.50. So these were like half of $3.50. I can't even think. I can't even, like, all of a sudden I'm blinking. Half of $3.50, just half of $3.50 I paid for these. So about $1.25 or something, I think. Okay, so the next thing I got was this. I was so excited to find this. I found this in the men's section, and it's like a vintage, kind of meant to be a vintage tee, and it says Reading Rainbow. So this is for me. I'm totally going to sport this. You guys, look at this. Isn't that so cute? I can't wait to wear this. This was $2.99. And I'm a product of the 80s. Like, I was born in 1980s, and I grew up watching Reading Rainbow, like on TV. So like I am like original, like OG. Is it called OG? Like I'm the OG original you know, back in the day watching Reading Rainbow. And I think it was a fabulous program growing up to watch. So again, this was $2.99. This was not on sale, but I'm like, this is awesome. This is totally awesome. It's like stretchy. It's like totally comfy and I love it. So I'm going to be sporting this in a haul coming up, you guys. I promise. I'll wear this for you guys. So $2.99. And I don't know who makes it. Made by local celebrity. Let's see. Made by local celebrity, fresh from Hollywood. So, you know, it's meant to look like a vintage original tee. So there's the manufacturer. Okay. So you guys, men's shirts they have some really cute, like if you look in the men's shirts, I oftentimes see ladies looking in the men's shirts as well, because they often put like really cute, like vintage t-shirts in the men's department, and you know, it can go either way. So I'm like, they were closing when I was like searching through the t-shirt rack, so I didn't have a lot of time to get more. To get a chance to see them all is what I mean. So like I said, I've bought men's shirts before for me, and it's like, you can't tell, like it's a man's shirt, you know? So anyway, the next thing I got was this. Now, I don't know if I regret buying this or not. I kind of don't know. We have so many mugs already that I don't know if we really needed this. This is from Ikea. It was 49 or 50 cents. It's a really nice heavy duty mug, you guys. Really, really nice. It just needs to be put through the dishwasher. You know, I like that it's see-through, and I like that it's like, you know, like a coffee mug, and I think it's great, but you know, I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so Ikea. So anyway, I don't know, guys. It's really heavy. I'm just not sure if I needed this, if I really, really needed this. So this is, I don't know. I mean, I can almost use this for like a pitcher to pour like drinks. I mean, it's huge. It's huge. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'll use it, but it's like, I didn't know if I really needed that, you know? Okay. The next thing I got was, I got some pretty things coming up. I'll show you guys. Okay. Let me just move that. Speaking of Ikea, I found this. This was like shoved inside a rack, it was hard to see. And what it is it's two panels, and they're curtains. So these will go in my son's room. You know, I'm like, does it look purple in some lights and it looks blue in some lights? I'm not sure if it's purple or blue or periwinkle. If it's periwinkle, it won't go in my son's room, but it's like, I want to say, I'm going to try it in there and see if it works, because my son's color scheme in his room is blue. And so I don't know, but it was $3.50, okay? So there's your tag, $3.50, and then it was additional 50% off, so it made it like $1.25 for a pair of curtains, brand new from Ikea. And I'll go ahead and open it up a little bit so there's no glare. I'll show you. These are the Sarita. And I mean, I don't know if I really love for my son's room the shininess. This may have to go in a different room in the house. I don't know. But they're great to have, you guys. And if not, it's extra fabric for something. I mean, I could use this for a tablecloth, you know? So I'm not like sad if this doesn't work out, because I already have black curtains from Ikea that I was going to use in his room. But I was like, for $1.25, yeah, this is like totally not a waste of money if it doesn't work out. In fact, I don't think it's going to work out. This looks too purple to me. Yeah, because this is blue right here. And this is, see the difference? So I think this is more purple. It is purple. It's purple. So my eyes were playing tricks on me. You know, when you get in the lights at the store, sometimes your eyes, like the lighting just doesn't show true what it is. But anyway, there it is. So, you know, I might just use it for a tablecloth or something. All right. The next thing I got was, you guys are going to love this. You're going to laugh because, okay, here we go. I brought this out to show you. So remember I hauled this maybe a month ago, and it's the Bailey's limited edition 1996 coffee cup. I think it's a coffee cup, and it says yum on the back. All right, so I thought it was so darling, and I paid $1.49, or I might have paid 69 cents. I can't remember exactly. But I found the matching set tonight. I'm like, what? So I totally found the matching set. So I'm so excited because I've seen these on eBay for sale, like the set. So you guys, look at how darling this is. Oh my gosh. So I found that tonight. And I'm like totally in love with this. It's so cute. It's so 1950s. Like I love, even though it was made in 1996, it has that 1950s look to it. And I just, look at that. It's just so cute. It has a bow on the handle right there. There's a bow. And it's just like I think it's for creamer. It's so cute, right guys? So look at this. And this one says yum on the inside of the cup. And this one says yum on the outside. So now we have a matching set. So there you go. So yay, they're together again. It's like they were meant to be, right? I mean, it's like, yes. So anyway, yeah, it's like this is, yeah, so this is the man version and this is the lady version because this one has a bow on it and it has pearls around the base. I didn't even notice that till now. Do you see the difference? So anyway, yay, they're back together again. All right, guys, this was $1.49. So anyway, yeah, I think that is excellent and I'm really excited about this. So, and I don't know where I'm going to put it. I like having old looking pieces around the house. I think they're like so fun. Like I said, I love the nostalgia of olden times. You know what I mean? Even though again this was 1996, it has that total 50s look. So I don't want to drop these. So I'm going to put this right there. Don't drop. I'm scared it's going to drop. Okay. All right. Actually, I'll put them together because they belong together. Don't drop. Don't drop. Okay. All right. So there we go. All right. So now the next thing I got was another mug. I know I need to like stop with the mug buying, I think, but I just can't help it. So many cute mugs out there, guys. This was, it says, you ready? It's just so cute. All right. My snuggles are fierce. I love this mug so much. It was either 49 or 50 cents. When it has a 1, looks like a 1, it's either 49 or 50 cents. You guys, this was never used. It still has the tag on it, and it's from Threshold, which would be Target brand. So, yeah. It was 49 or 50 cents. So my snuggles are fierce. So I totally think that is so cute, right guys? Like, I love that. I just love fun mugs that say cute things like that. I just absolutely adore them. So yeah. It doesn't have the writing on the other side, which I thought is interesting. So it's like you have to hold it like that so people can see it. But isn't that cute for like winter time with like hot cocoa in it or something? Like so cute. All right, so the next thing, look at how big you guys this mug is compared to this one. This is gigantic. Okay, so we're looking at like $1 for 2 mugs total. $1. That is so cheap. Okay, now here comes the fun part. You guys know I love jewelry. Love jewelry. So I found this. Now my sister's getting married shortly, soon, and I'm still thinking about what I'm going to wear for her wedding. I don't know if I want to order a dress on Amazon. I found a really pretty long black dress on Amazon to wear. It's an outdoor wedding, so it's in the evening, so I'm not sure, but I also bought that sequined skirt. I hauled back a while back ago, about 2 months ago, a silver sequined skirt I was thinking about wearing. So I'm on the fence. Do I want to wear that or order that black, long, beautiful gown? Okay, but I did find this tonight at Goodwill, and I was like screaming my name. You guys, isn't this amazing? Look at this. So I was thinking I could wear it to her wedding. So it has brand new with tags, and it was $2.98 only. So yes, I'm so excited about this find. I was like, no way. No way. It's only $2.98. It's so gorgeous. So do you see how it has the rhinestones right here? There's rhinestones going all here because you guys know I love my bling. There's the rhinestones there. And there's also rhinestones that go all the way around the center and all little rhinestones around. Like there's little things all over it. Even up here, there's so much detail to this necklace for $2.98. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on, kind of like that. And so I'm deciding, I don't know if I want to wear it or not, but I think it's beautiful. And if I don't wear it for the wedding, I'll wear it for I'll just wear this around town. I mean, it's just like so cute. So I just thought it was a statement piece, and I really, really like statement jewelry. I like big pieces of jewelry. I really do. So anyway, might use that for the wedding. Then the last thing I got is, I got a piece of tape on my hand from that tag. Okay, the last thing I got was this. This is a simple necklace. I know it's not like a huge statement piece, but it's very antique looking, and that's why I picked it up. Do you see how it has the beautiful rhinestones around it? It just kind of looks like an heirloom, like an old piece. And I thought it was so beautiful. Again, it was only $2.98. Never worn, never used. I mean, somebody could have tried it on, but it was never like used and donated. So they had a whole like brand new rack of jewelry. And so I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like on. I don't know, it just spoke to me. Like this jewelry, like sometimes just speaks to me, and I just have to be like, oh, I have to have that. Because then I start envisioning, as soon as I see a piece of jewelry and then I start envisioning wearing it, I'm like, it's mine. I have to have it. Do you know what I mean? Like if I'm envisioning, like as soon as I saw this hanging on the rack, I was like, oh, I could wear it with that. I could wear it with that. I could wear it with that. So I'm like, oh yeah, I've got to get that. And for $2.98, I mean, I spend more at a fast food, you know, restaurant than I do on jewelry. So I don't feel bad about that. So yeah, $2.98. Isn't it very beautiful, you guys? It's so pretty, I think. So I hope it's picking up and you can see it from the camera from where I'm sitting. So you guys, that is it for my Goodwill haul. I spent a total of, let me show you the receipts. Let's see. The receipts are, I think, down here. Okay. So I went through the line, and then I went back and looked at the necklaces again, and I did this on a separate transaction, but at the same store. So the first transaction for everything, including this necklace and including this mug here, I spent $12.17. $12.17. Isn't that amazing, you guys? $12.17. Because, like I said, this necklace alone could easily sell for $10 or more. And I got this whole, everything, $12.17. Then I went back in line and I bought this necklace I'm wearing. And this is $3.21 total with tax. So I spent $3.21 plus $12.17, so $12, $13, $14, $15. So less than $16, you guys. I got all this stuff. Again, I think it's a pretty good deal, because like if I were to buy this shirt online, this would probably be about $18. So like I said, that's why I love the Goodwill, because it's like you get so much more. Your money kind of stretches a lot farther. I mean, this mug at Target would have been at least $12.99 probably to begin with. And again, never used. The tag's still on there. So yeah, I'm just really excited with everything I found tonight. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and thank you guys for being here and sticking with me through the end of this video. And for my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. And for my returning friends and family, thank you so much for being here. And please comment below your favorite thing I got tonight. I would love to hear comments and feedback. And thank you guys again for all your love and support. And with that being said, I'll see you soon with my next haul. All right, guys, take care. See you all really soon. Bye.